Hello students, we have start our previous chapter optics. We have studied the phenomena which are related with the light. We already studied in previous lecture reflection, refraction, also diffraction. What is refractive index? Refractive index is the ratio of velocity of light in a medium first to the velocity of light in medium second. And reflection means the light rays are incident on interface between two media and the light rays return to its original medium is called reflection. We have taken example. Example first, thickness of the glass of a spectacle is 2 mm and refractive index of its glass is 1.5. Calculate time taken by light to cross this thickness. For we are solving this example, given velocity of light. We already studied in last lecture, velocity of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Velocity of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Speed of light, we are calculating here speed of light in glass. Therefore, formula is C upon N glass. The value of C is 3 into 10 raised to 8. Upon refractive index of glass. Refractive index of glass is 1.5. We have done this calculation. 3 divided by 1.5. The answer is 2. 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Here the given thickness of glass spectacle is 2 mm. 2 mm means how many meters? 2 mm means 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Look at that conversion. 2 mm equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, because 1 meter equal to 10 raised to 3 millimeter, means 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Therefore, we are done this calculation. 2 millimeter equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. And last, we are calculate time taken by light to cross this thickness. Therefore, T equal to S upon velocity in glass. Yes, the value of S is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by velocity speed of light in glass. 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. 2 into 10 raised to 8. We have done this calculation. 2 cancel. 10 raised here, 10 raised to minus 3. The 10 raised to 8 goes to upper and will convert into -8. 10 raised to 8 convert into -8. -8 and -3 -11. Here 10 raised to -11. This figure we are also write 0.1 into 10 raised to -9 second. It is our answer. This value is the time which is required light to cross this thickness. Understand everyone? We are studying another topic, reflection from plane surface. Spherical surface, convex lens, concave lens, these type of surfaces. We are here studies reflection from plane surface, not spherical, not convex, not concave. We are studies of plane surface. If the object is in the front of plane surface, the image is virtual and laterally inverted. जब हमने ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेन सर्कल सरफेस के सामने रखा तो उसकी हमें इमेज हमें कैसी मिलती है? तो इसकी इमेज हमें मिलती है वर्चुअल. वर्चुअल मीन्स इट्स नॉट रियल. एंड लैटरली इन्वर्टेड. लैटरली इन्वर्टेड मीन्स थोड़ी सी क्या मिलती है हमें? उल्टी मिलती है. ठीक है, लैटरली इन्वर्टेड में थोड़ी सी उल्टी. It is of the same size as that of the object. इमेज अगर वर्चुअल है फिर भी उसकी साइज कितनी होती है? ऑब्जेक्ट जितनी होती है. साइज में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता. It is of the same size as that of the object and at the same distance as that of object. But the other side of reflecting surface. हमें जो इमेज मिलती है प्लेन सरफेस में, प्लेन सरफेस में हमें जो इमेज मिलती है वो कैसी होती है? इमेज इज वर्चुअल बट मींस नॉट रियल, लैटरली इन्वर्टेड एंड इमेज की साइज सेम होती है और डिस्टेंस भी सेम होता है. ऑब्जेक्ट जितने डिस्टेंस पर प्लेन सरफेस से रखा हुआ है हमें इमेज भी उतने ही डिस्टेंस पे मिलती है. इन फर्दर टॉपिक वी आर स्टडीज विद रिफ्लेक्शन फ्रॉम टू प्लेन सरफेसेस. इफ वी आर केप्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इन अ टू प्लेन सरफेसेस, we are kept object between two plane surfaces. Here two plane surfaces and we are put object in between that. Therefore we are getting more than one image. Why we are getting lots of image? Because due to the multiple reflections. Why we are getting more image? Because due to multiple reflections and the major factor is the angle. We incline the object at a certain angle. हम जो ऑब्जेक्ट दोनों प्लेन सरफेसेस के बीच में रखने वाले हैं उसका रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस से जो एंगल बनता है वो एंगल अगर चेंज हो तो क्या होता है? हमें इमेज ज्यादा मिलती है, कम मिलती है. इसका स्टडीज हम अगले टॉपिक में करेंगे.